Hey, hi, welcome back. Anthropic has recently dropped Claude Design, which is talk of the tech world recently. After the announcement came up from Anthropic Twitter handle, the Figma stock went down by more than 7%. So this is the impact Claude Design has created just with the announcement. I'm now trying Claude Design, and this is my first time trying the Claude Design. I just want to see what the Claude Design is and how we can actually use Claude Design. It's simple, like just open Claude AI that I did and just select design. So there are a couple of things that we can do, not couple, even more than that. The first one is a prototype, and we can also create a slide deck. Let's create one prototype and one slide deck using the simple prompts and see how Claude Design actually work, and will Claude Design really do better than Figma or Canva? Something that we can check it out. So you can see here prototype and slide deck. Like, let's create a prototype first. And good thing is, like, you can actually create a design system as well for your brand. This is also possible. So the design system, in the sense, you need to just select the design system and create. You can select your, like, if you're working for a brand, you can add your fonts, logos. You can link to your own GitHub repositories. You can link code from your computer. You can upload files from Figma. So that, like, you don't need to mention every time that what design it should use, what fonts it should use, or what kind of your logo and all. But I'm not touching these things. If you're working for your brand, you can do this. But let's try the core features of Clad Design. The first one is the prototype. Let's design one. So I'm just writing test one, and you will see two options here. I'm selecting high fidelity, and I'm just clicking create. So now it is asking like what I wanted to create. So I want to create a prototype for a basic app. Let's suppose a calculator app. So create a prototype design for a one page calculator app which can do both mathematical and scientific calculations with a with an attractive UI. So I'm starting with a calculator app. So I'm asking to generate a UI prototype for a calculator app. So we can change it, we can modify it, we can do everything. But to start with, I have just selected this and it is loading in the backend. So you can see the things happening in the backend. So it has written the to-dos by itself. Design aesthetic direction and plan, build calculator HTML with React, add standard and scientific modes, add tweaks panel, verify and deliver. And it's writing, you can also see the detailed stuff. It's writing HTML files in the backend. And you can also see in the bottom like what's happening in the backend. So it is building now. You can see the HTML preview is opening. So I'm not doing anything, like it's doing the development part in the backend. Done. Like, we have the UI prototype ready. It's as simple as that. So we have now the prototype for the calculator app that we have described. So very simple, right? It's ready to use UI. You can literally do, you can like share it, you can download it as a zip, you can also send it to Canva or Figma. So it's so cool, right? And you can also have all the files as well. So you can see the design files here, the HTML that it has written. So it's so cool that it is developing prototypes in minutes. So I maybe you can try with more complex stuff, you can try with more real time UI. So instead of just calculator or basic stuff, like I have tried to see like how it actually work. So now we are good with this. Like I really like it because Figma in general, it has built the credibility over more than 13 to 14 years, and all of it suddenly faded away because of a single update from Clad. And there is a reason why it's happening, because Clad design is really great. So I liked it because it took only a minute to have this prototype ready with just a prompt, and this is so cool. So now let's try the slide deck. So let's also give the name as test 2. Let's create a presentation, and just open the chat gpt, and I have asked it to give me a prompt to create a presentation of 6 slides about what is an LLM. Like, you can literally ask anything. Since this is only for testing, I'm okay with it. So I have copied this prompt and I just pasted it here. That's it. So now I have asked Claude Design to create a presentation on a topic LLM. I have given the complete prompt, what to be included, and how the design should look like. So done in less than a minute. Like, I got my presentation ready. So this is the first slide. So you can also download it. You can export as a PPT, you can export as a PDF, or you can also send it to Canva and edit there. You can do literally whatever you want. So this is the first slide. So I have asked 6 slides, right? Let me see the second slide. This is the second one. This is the third slide. This is the fourth slide. This is the fifth, and this is the sixth. This is top notch, and this is high quality presentation. So literally, like, for a presentation like this to be designed in Canva or Figma or any other design app, it will take you an hour, or maybe you're an expert, it will take around 30 to 40 minutes. But for me, it took less than a minute to create a presentation like this. Like, all you need to have is the content. That's it. Just ask that design what you want to design, and it will do that in minute. So try it out on your own and let me know in the comments what have you designed using Clad Design. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to the channel for more such amazing content on AI on regular basis. Thank you.